And one of the things, one of the big problems that we have in culture, you see, is that we have to create a pan-American culture, meaning a culture that embraces all. It is not Anglo-American, it's not African-American, it's not Indian, it's not Pakistani, it's pan-American, meaning that you have a matrix, you have a mother culture that every one of us who deems themselves a Muslim American can identify with. Like, I belong here. And then in it you have subcultures that are inner city, suburbs, Anglo-American, African-American, Hispanic-American, Hyderabadi, Punjabi, Egyptian. No, it's not funny. Because if you're Hyderabadi, that's something to be proud of. It's not something to be ashamed of. It's something to be proud of. Hyderabad is a great place. So we don't want to deny that. We can't have Hyderabad here, but we can certainly remember Hyderabad. See, and a culture has to do that. An African-American has to be able to affirm their identity. An Anglo-American like me has to be able to affirm their identity. And a Hispanic American the same, and an immigrant the same. So you have to have a pan-American culture. And then you have subcultures under that, and this is what we have to work for. And as I said before, this is urgent because we are culture makers. And right now, the culture that we are making is very, very poisonous. It's very dysfunctional. And that's because it has very limited perspectives. We have to create a culture that has vision. And I believe that's our responsibility. And then, if we can do that, just as Dr. Lang was saying, American culture has a powerful force in the world. Our ability to speak to the world and our ability to inform the world and to set examples that are good is beyond measure. So thank you very much, and I'm sorry if we didn't get to go into more details. Remember those two things. We are a unique community. I don't say that out of arrogance. I say it because I know it's true. We are a unique minority in the history of Islam, but only in terms of potential, not in terms of reality. We have so much diversity. We have no unifying culture. And until we get that unifying culture, we're going to dissipate, and we will never be one community. See, all these issues are cultural issues. They are cultural issues, and so therefore also we have to create that culture, and you're the people to do it. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.